Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a photo edit crops with a color background. So all you have to do is open your Photoshop or GIMP or anything that's similar. So I'm using GIMP in here. So let's try new project and open your image in here. Here for example, so you can crop this a photo using tools. This one crop here for example, and done. And after that you can move the photo here. You can copy the photo here or the image here, and then another here. So and then you can fill this background with color, so you can add the color in here. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the thanks button below. See you.